Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate your image on the Pixlr Photo Editor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixlr application, or you may also continue forward within your web browser. After opening it up, log into your account using your email address and your password, and you will now see the Pixlr Express option. Go ahead and click on it, and you may use any image that you have previously uploaded or upload a new one, as well as generate using AI. After choosing your image, you will be taken into the editor page. From here, just click on the crop option at the left side, and you will now see the rotate and flip options. You can use the rotate left as well as the rotate right option in order to choose your desired rotation and orientation for your image. You can also resize if you wish and change your canvas size from the resize section. After choosing your desired rotation, you can click on the save button, and now your changes will be saved and you can continue editing from your chosen rotation. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to rotate your image on the Pixlr application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.